Hi friends, this is Pritam here from TechToUse, and in this video I will show you that how you can partition a hard disk drive on your Windows 7, 8, 10 PC with the formatting or BIOS setup. So without further delay, let's get started. So first click on Start menu and tap on search bar and type disk and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Now select the disk you want to partition, then right click on that disk and select Shrink Volume. Then enter the amount of space in MB you want to shrink. After entering the right amount, click on Shrink. So now an unallocated memory has been created. So again right click on that unallocated memory and select New Simple Volume, then a pop-up screen will appear. Go through all these tabs and select Next until you see the screen, and then tap on Finish. And now you can see a new volume or a new disk drive is successfully created. And if you don't want that volume or you want that volume to be deleted, then again go to that Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions, select the disk you want to delete, right click on it, simply select Delete Volume and then tap on Yes. Now select any drive, right click on it and select Extend Volume. A pop-up screen will appear, tap on Next and then tap on Finish. So now your created volume has been deleted. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the like button and share this video. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell icon. This will notify you whenever my new video goes up on my channel. So that's it for this video and I will see you in the next one.